Chimichurri chicken is one of my favorite summertime meals, plus the herb mixture doubles as a marinade and sauce. Let me show you how to make it. To make the chimichurri sauce, add the cilantro, parsley, red wine vinegar, garlic, salt, cumin, and crushed red pepper to the blender. Mix for 20 seconds. While the machine is running, slowly add in the olive oil. Process on medium speed until smooth and slightly thickened with some herb pieces. About 60 to 90 seconds. To make chimichurri chicken, get 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These are really large, so I'm going to cut them in half into 2 cutlets. Start at the thicker end and then carefully cut in half lengthwise. Now you'll have 2 pieces that will cook evenly. Repeat with the other piece. Generously season the chicken on both sides with salt and pepper. The salt is going to dissolve onto the chicken, restructuring the muscle fibers so that it retains more moisture, so you have more tender and juicy pieces. I like to use freshly cracked black pepper. Add the seasoned chicken to a baking dish or resealable plastic bag. Pour a 1/4 cup of the chimichurri sauce on top. Turn the pieces to coat so that the surface can soak up the delicious sauce. Marinate the chicken in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. The marinade is going to add a nice herb crust to the surface of the meat. Now we're ready to cook. You can take the cooking outdoors and grill the chicken over medium-high heat. I usually target between 400 to 425 degrees. It's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes to cook each side. However, to make this any time of the year, I'm going to show you how to cook it on the stovetop. Use a grill pan, nonstick pan, or cast iron skillet to cook the chicken. Warm over medium heat, then drizzle on some olive oil to prevent sticking. I love using my grill pan because you're going to get those nice char marks even though you're not outside. Remove a little bit of moisture from the surface of the chicken so that you don't get flare-ups on the grill or you don't get splattering if you're cooking on the stovetop. I wait until the meat is about 50% cooked through. You can tell because it will turn from this translucent pink to opaque up the sides. Then I give it a flip. Wow, the chicken looks so tender and juicy. I cooked it for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Now I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. The chicken is ready. I like to serve it with some potato salad or grilled veggies. Now it's time to eat.